Hello, good afternoon to everyone. Today in this video we'll see where you can find Google Password Manager app on your mobile. See, this is on my Android mobile, and this Google Password Manager is not in the app form but it is integrated in the Chrome. Actually, in two ways you can open this Google Password Manager app. One is through the phone settings. Under phone settings, scroll to bottom until you find this Google option. Tap on this Google, click on all services, then scroll down until you'll find something like autofill and passwords, and click on autofill with passwords. And see, here there is Google Password Manager. You can tap on this, and here the list of the websites or the apps which their passwords are already saved on this device will be shown up. Not only device, but with respect to the Gmail ID, it will store in the cloud. In another way also you can open, that is through Google Chrome directly. Open the Chrome browser and click on these three dots and click on the settings, and in the settings this Google Password Manager is directly available. So for example, on my device there is only one app which I saved my password, which is Instagram. If you tap on this, if it will immediately ask my fingerprint or the phone lock. When I give my phone lock or the fingerprint, it will display my login details. So it is very important for you to set up this password protection or encrypt your passwords before saving this particular apps or website password to Google Password Manager. So if you don't know how to enable or set up this encryption for saved passwords on the Google Password Manager, I already did a detailed video tutorial on that. You will find that in the description. Just go through the description and find it how you can enable this encryption for your passwords. And if you do have any other questions, please do ask in the comment section, so that I'll be happy to do another video tutorial on that. I hope you like this tutorial, and if you feel this is helpful, please do hit a like, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.